The video of basic steps for heat shrinkable wraparound sleeve connection of winding structural wall pipe PEA series. One. Prepare materials and tools. Gas tank, spray gun, winding structural wall pipe PEA series, heat shrinkable wraparound sleeve, wire brush, measuring tape, marking pen, dry cloth. 2. Connection step. 1. Raise the pipe up to ensure that the pipe to be connected is at the same height. The pipe can be placed directly on the ground if an operating pit is dug in the joint. 2. Check if the end of the pipe is flat or not, cannot appear gap, zigzag and other bad phenomenon. 3. Check the heat shrinkable wraparound sleeve is intact or not, and then insert one of the pipes, align the joints and adjust the pipe to a straight line. 4. Measure the width of the heat shrinkable wraparound sleeve. Mark the marking of the marking range at the junction. 5. Clean up sediment, dust and oil at the joint. 6. The surface of the tube within the marked line shall be made coarsen treatment and clean up the residue and debris from the treatment. 7. Ignite the spray gun and preheat the interface. 8. The heat shrinkable wraparound sleeve is arranged symmetrically at the junction. 9. Ignite the spray gun and heat evenly from the center of the heat shrinkable wraparound sleeve zone to both sides until the surface of the contraction zone shows the profile of the pipe and hot melt is spilled on both sides. 10. Cooling should be sufficient after the connection is completed. Reference cooling time 30 minutes in summer, 20 minutes in winter. The video is over. Thanks for watching.